We have had a lot of Uhling case clamps come through our shop. We have had newer, but this is the least used HP3000 we have seen. It was pulled from a local technical school, and the instructor told us it was used twice upon being installed to see if it worked, and had not been used since then. If you look at the UHMW ultra high molecular weight polyethylene inserts, you will notice no dings or scratches. The controls also look new. The optional overhead clamp has never been used. That is, until we tested it. Now, the clamp frame does have some scuffs from being moved. This has been moved several times, so you are going to see several scuffs. It does have a 55-inch wide by 96-inch high by 24-inch deep clamping capacity. We did replace the white laminate backer, as the shop class had repurposed it at some point. The new backer is an 1.125" particle board core with an 1/8" maple hardwood face. These are really, really easy to use. Your pressure bars, front and rear, so 2, 4, 6, 8 bags, and you have, again, 2 bags per pressure bar. They are all on. To activate them, you're simply going to turn them on. And again, if you look, it's just super, super clean. The mechanics of this machine are, again, an excellent plus, like new condition. And if you want to shrink that carriage, you simply turn your carriage lock off, and you can just reposition this to your desired width. And again, additionally, you do have that top clamp. As a matter of fact, you could even see some of the blue paint on the bottom rail here from when they painted their floor. There's no air leaks. Again, without issue, other than some scuffs on the case, because again, this was probably moved 3 or 4 times, and it was really hard to pull out of a school building. So there's some scuffs on the side here where it looks like it was laid down on its side at one time, and there are some scuffs on the back. But again, a really, really clean HP3000. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.